Hi, it's Mary with Nelson's, and I've got some tips for how to maintain your disappearing fountain. This is a normal disappearing fountain, running wonderfully. Nice solid plume, water's flowing wonderful over the pot and directly into your reservoir basin. Here is an issue that some people will have is that you'll see my plume is not as high. There's little tiny air bubbles coming up. And if you come down here and listen, you hear the pump is actually sucking air. This means you just need to drag your water hose over and fill it up. That's normal evaporation. It happens all the time. Now, if normal evaporation isn't happening, you've been filling your basin up on a regular basis, but somehow water is still coming out, I've got something else to show you over here. So this is another common problem that happens. You're gonna add your disappearing fountain into your landscape. We've got plants surrounding this one. And if we take a look at this back piece here, this plant is leaning against the fountain. That water is wicking down off of the pot into the soil and draining your basin. So make sure you trim your plants to keep the water in your basin and keep everything nice and good. If you are still noticing a problem after you've trimmed your plants and the basin's still not holding water, the other trick we like to do is turn your pump off, fill up the basin completely, let it sit overnight. When you come back out, if there's still water in the basin, something's going on when we have our pump on. So we need to take a look at the piece and just make sure everything's level and water's not spilling out some other way. Now, if the basin has lost water, then at least we know something is happening with the basin. That is a very, very rare occurrence. So make sure to follow those tips. Check to make sure your water level is good. Check your plants. And then stop, unplug the pump, fill it up, and wait. And if you still have an issue after that, just call us and we'll be able to help you through it.